get ready, get set, and let's see if we can get this finished. Yeah, cheesy intros, I know, but hey, just a quick video here on the set, which you should have done in class already if you were gone though. Here's how we're going to do this. It's asking you to find the area and the perimeter of a figure. Area we find by multiplying length times width. The perimeter is we add all sides. So in this you need to show your work. And I went through and I asked the classes, hey, show me what your, what do you think is the most difficult? A lot of students thought 11 was the most difficult if we're going to show area. And they had good reason to think because we have A's and B's. Well, you have to think about a rectangle. A rectangle, opposite sides are the same, so this would be B plus 3, this would be A plus 5. And if we wanted to find the perimeter, the answer to that would be add all the sides. Well, since I don't have the availability of the board here, I'm gonna write this on here. I'm gonna try and write it in a space that we can. The perimeter is A plus 5. If we start with the top and work our way around it clockwise, so A plus 5 plus B plus 3 plus, get it right, Mr. Wilson, plus A plus 5 plus B plus 3. And as you see, that's pretty lengthy, but we're adding all four sides. There are 4 parentheses, 4 sides, and at this point it's just combined like terms. I have how many A's? I have 2 A's, so I've used those. I have 2 B's. I've used those, that one and that one. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, well 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 and 8 is 16, so plus 16. There lies in my perimeter. Well, now we come back and we talk about area. Area is equal to length times width, or in this case, A plus 5 times B plus 3. So now I've got to multiply these together. Well, alright, so I multiply. Well, you double distribute. How do I double distribute? It's not that complicated. A to B, A to 3. What's A times B? A times B is simply AB. You can't combine it anymore. A times 3, so that's plus 3A. Some people wanted to say A3, and that's acceptable, but here's the mistake you might make. This is A3, or 3 times A. This is A cubed. So it's best not to do that. It's best to write numbers in front of letters, and that's kind of one of the reasons why. And then we've got to multiply this 5 times the B and 5 times the 3. So plus 5B plus 15. And when you look back, I cannot combine anything. 99% of the time, you will be able to combine these two. Since you cannot here, since you can't combine those, my answer is this right here. And I will explain. Right? I did a different one in class here, so I will do the one down here. How does that work? And I'm not going to talk about perimeter because perimeter is add. You should be able to do the perimeter. But I will talk about the multiplication. And this is x plus 4 times x plus 1. When you double distribute, you're going to get x squared. You're going to get plus x. You're going to get plus 4x. And you're going to get plus 4. And you will see these two you can combine. 4 plus 1 is 5x. So plus 4 plus x squared. There is your area. That's I can't find a solid number, okay? But that is my area. It's kind of like, hey, what if I said my area was 10 by 12? Well, that's pretty easy. 10 times 12 is 120, right? Because you multiply 10 times 12. This is how I express the area. So there you go. We'll talk about 15 later.